So matte or shiny? This one is already cute by itself. If you don't want anything else, absolutely, you can just top coat and you're good to go. You do matte or shiny, it's up to your clients. This one looks super cute by itself.
Better.
Yes or no?
This one look better than that. Yes.
Oh, because that one is showing. This is second nails. But I love the matte though. It's showing really freaking stunning. Looks like just so extra.
Yep.
Matte all the way. All right.
All the way. Well, you have some shiny to compare to.
Let's do matte. I love this matte. It's just absolutely matte like silk. Okay, matte top gold. Floating on the top. You don't want to drag the condensed glue gels because it will contaminate the top and with the centerpiece. This one is so cute. Oh. So heavy. It's curves right
Yeah,
there.
Yep. So the point out.
And here my mixture, baby mixture. I'm gonna find some bars from here. That's long. Oh, that's really cool. I'm gonna come up with something with that. Yep, do that one right there. I'm gonna put some beads and a little cute crystal on the acrylic jar. I love this. You can play so much with this, like so many fun beads, pearls, and stone in here you can play with. Okay, so now it's not turning the face up for me. There you go. This is an option for all of you who do clients and the clients want all the nails with this marble look and encapsulating. Either they're decide to do the nails with the design solid colors or with the extremely design like this. You can absolutely create something similar. I think this one, my baby, can I get the other one? Get the other ones, the jar. My baby mixture and stuff. I'm looking for the smaller beads. Is that more in there? It's right here. Like that beads. Ah. this big. Thank you. Okay, I need to stop because I keep adding it on it. Okay, if you like it. And one more. Can't stop yet. Okay, I'm gonna key this one for 60 seconds. Hey Michelle, how are you, love? Thanks so much for tuning in. Okay, here, this one. As I say, if you don't want any crystal on, you absolutely can leave it alone and top coat it, and you're gonna have a gorgeous set of nails already. You do not need to add it on. However, just for all of you who has the clients love a lot of crystal, and it's not bad at all when you're done with this. Look at this look after the matte top coat. And I'm gonna do the last one. We're gonna do matte too. This is so gorgeous by